Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very easy but super delicious recipe that I absolutely love, and that is grilled veggies on the barbecue. But tonight we are going to experiment, and I have some red potatoes and we're going to add those as well. But as you can see, I have cut the veggies in huge chunks. So I have red peppers, I have yellow peppers, I have orange peppers, and I love zucchini. And I try to buy very large mushrooms because they are super amazing on the barbecue. And I'm going to add some romaine lettuce because I was also told that it's super delicious and I haven't tried that yet. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just sprinkle on some onion powder. I just like to simply cover my vegetables and now my potatoes. I just like to turn it over, and I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I don't just really measure. I just like to cover. So, maybe a good tablespoon or so if you guys like to be precise exactly what you put on, but honestly, it won't hurt it. And I like to sprinkle on some oregano or some Italian seasoning. Okay. And I have a couple different barbecue sauces, the Guy's spicy, and I have the Hughes Sugar Free hickory. And I love combining dressings, or make your own if you want. Okay. And again, I just sprinkle it on over my veggies and potatoes tonight. I'm going to leave the lettuce just as is. I might just spray a little bit of some olive oil on top of it. Okay, just for a little bit of some flavor. All right, and then I'm just going to mix this all up. Okay, so just mix everything up so that it's all spread on both sides of your veggies. And you can do this beforehand and just marinate it if you want. I wasn't sure I was making this tonight, but it doesn't matter. It'll still taste amazing even if you don't pre-marinate it, okay? And then I'm going to add it to the barbecue, and we're going to see how delicious and how amazing and crispy. And I like, as you can see, I have big bowls, all right, because I like to have lots of leftovers, okay, because it's only me and my husband eating them tonight, but I love them the next day. You can just have them as a snack. You can add them to your salads, okay, and you can add them to if you're having a sandwich. I love grilled veggies. Okay, so I will be back to show you how amazing these are going to be on the barbecue. Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm back, and my husband Brian put the vegetables on the barbecue on the top level on a medium heat. The mushrooms were quite large, so he had put them on the bottom level for a while, as well as the potatoes. Look at how crispy and delicious they look. I can't wait to sink my teeth into them. And we're just barbecuing the lettuce. I just tasted it. Oh my God, I love it. And they only take a few minutes to cook. So here they are, a really simple, delicious idea. The other thing I just wanted to mention, that if you do make potatoes, if you want them to cook quicker, make them thin, or you can microwave them first for a few minutes so that they're softer, and then put them on the grill, okay? And then they'll cook faster if they're a thicker consistency, all right? So here they are. The video is so easy to make. Like I said, you can use also whatever sauces, barbecue sauce, and herbs that you want, seasoning, to make it versatile and to your taste buds. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, share my YouTube channel, Risa Weiner, with everybody on social media. And thank you, Brian, for making the best delicious grilled vegetables.
You're welcome.
All right, bye for now.